Growing up in an affluent town, I never witnessed poverty. I only knew of the stories shown in television commercials, which asked for donations to save starving and suffering families. A trip to Goldsboro, North Carolina through Habitat for Humanity changed my perspective of the poverty epidemic in the modern world. My mission group was assigned to repair one family's deteriorating house. I worked long hours ripping up rotten floorboards that exposed the bare ground and rebuilding walls so families could experience warmth. Although the hours were long and the work was dubious, the results exceedingly outweighed the struggles. At the end of the week I spent in North Carolina, the work I accomplished with my team provided instant gratification when the homeowners began to cry with joy and happiness when they saw their home fixed and livable once again. The emotional journey that experiences of helping others bring is outstanding, and truly humbled me as I ventured back to my warm home and other various luxuries. As St. Augustine discussed in his Book of Confessions about the good that God instills in everyone, I came to a realization. God lives within everyone. Augustine said, "How can I see this? For when to see, meant a physical act of looking, with the eyes, and of forming an image in the mind. I had not realized God is a spirit, not a figure whose limbs have length and breadth, and who has a mass." God does not take on a physical form because each person performs acts of kindness and goodness throughout their lives, and he has no need to send another son like Jesus, because he has the world's population to exercise his ways. Everyone begins with the same amount of God's qualities in them, and only through servitude, kindness, and love can our portion of God grow within us. When I witnessed the tears shed and overwhelming joy the family in Goldsboro expressed when they saw the repairs made to their house, the feelings I felt inside can only be explained because God was growing inside of me, and as I performed godlike acts, I continued to grow closer to Him.